So everyone note down the title: Simple Past and Past Continuous Tense. So what is our title today? What is our LP title, Dishon?
Simple past and past continuous tenses.
Very good,
Tense.
Dishon. Very good. Okay, Lok Puja, can you read out our aim? What is our aim today?
I use
Sweetie, please
simple
mute the mic.
past and past
Continuous tense.
continuous tense of
To describe events in the
describe
past.
a event in the past.
Very good, Lok Puja. So I hope everyone copy down the title and aim. Shall we move to
Ma'am,
the
I
next?
writing the aim, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
I'm writing the aim, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I completed. Ma'am,
Yes, okay, Dishon.
Ma'am, I completed.
Okay, so I hope everyone completed. Shall I move to the next screen? So we are going to have simple past and past continuous tense in our class today. So we are going to use the tenses simple past and past continuous, and we are going to describe what is happening in an event. So we are going to present a situation, and you are going to use the tenses simple past and past continuous tense to describe the situation. Okay, Edwin, sweetie, can you understand? Did you understood what we are
Yes,
going to
ma'am.
do today? Okay, what are the
Yes,
two
ma'am.
tenses we come across today?
Ma'am,
What are the two tenses we are going to learn today?
simple past and past continuous tense.
Okay, so now everyone note down the keywords: simple past, past continuous, tense, interrupt. Interrupt is nothing but, for example, Isma is writing, Isma is talking to someone else about the classes, what's going on today. Then like, I'm coming and interrupting her, asking her to give her note to copy the notes. So am I interrupting Isma? Yes?
Yes.
Yeah, so this is called interrupting. Okay, so I gave you a situation to you to analyze. So somebody is busy with something, suddenly a third person, a third motive is introducing in between them. That is called interruption. This is like interruption. Okay, so now, okay, I hope everyone completed the keywords. Simple past, past
Ma'am,
continuous.
no, ma'am, I did not complete.
I did not complete it.
Okay, okay, right. Interrupt.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Yes, okay.
Ma'am, I have completed, ma'am. Ma'am, I also complete.
Okay, now. This is our idea, simple past and past continuous.
Ma'am, I don't complete it.
Please be quick, everyone.
Ma'am, I completed.
Okay, now I'm going to create a situation for you. So just have a thinking about it. Okay, what did you do in school on Friday? I will give you 1 minute. Okay, just think about this and you can start answering me. What did you do in school on Friday? What were you doing at 10 a.m. on Friday? Did you observe the questions? So I will give you
Yes,
some time
ma'am.
now. Okay. So let me see who is going to answer me correctly with use of correct tense. So are you ready? I am going to give you 1 minute. Is everyone
Yes,
ready?
ma'am.
Yes, okay. So just take the time to think about it. What did you do in school on Friday? So do. What did you do? What were you doing at 10 a.m. on Friday? So difference. There is a difference between these two questions. So 40 seconds. 35 seconds.
I will study in the
No, no, no,
class.
not now, not now. After the timing. Okay, so Edwin Sweetie is raising the hand, and Bahira raised the hand, Dishon raised the hands, Isma raised hands. Okay, so four of you are ready, huh? Okay, so let us listen to the answers of four of them. So I'm going to write your answers now. So everyone is ready with your answers, right? Okay, now
Yes,
Isma.
ma'am.
Okay, say me your answer. So what did you do in school on Friday? Next, what were you doing at 10 a.m. on Friday? This is mom. Proceed.
I was in middle of the class
I was in middle of the class on.
on Friday.
Okay. So first question, school on Friday. Okay. Next, what is the answer for the next question, Isma?
I was writing the worksheet.
I was writing the worksheet. At 10 a.m. Friday. Okay. So this was the reply from Isma. Okay. So I hope Isma is correct with the answer. Okay, let us see that. Okay, now. Dishon, can you give me your answer, Dishon?
I was studying in the class.
I was studying in the class on Friday, right, Dishon?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What were you doing? That is, see the question. What What were you doing at 10 a.m. on Friday?
Mm, I was in the middle of the class.
Dishon, you put the answer desktop position. I hope
Ma'am,
you.
that is correct only, ma'am. Uh, I will join the class in 10.
Yes, Dishon, it is correct only. Yes. Actually, what did you do in school on Friday? That gives the answer like I was in the middle of the class on Friday. Okay. And next,
Okay.
what were you doing? What were you doing at 10 a.m. on Friday? It gives the answer like you are using
I
I
will
was.
write the worksheet.
I will. That is a future tense, right? Because
I
you are
was
will.
studying.
Use of will in third grade, right? Remember?
Okay, ma'am. I
Hmm.
was writing the worksheet on 10 a.m.
I was writing the worksheet on 10 a.m. Okay, I will write change this. First, Isma will feel like, oh my God, he's giving up all the answers that what I am giving. Isn't Isma? Now Dishon has changed the answer. Okay, similarly, I too feel like how Isma and Dishon feel the same answer. I was surprised. Okay, now Dishon has a different idea. Okay, Dishon. Okay. So anyway, you were in the same class. You may have the chance to think like the same. So I cannot see here nobody copy each other, right?
Ma'am,
Okay.
I have to do like this.
Yes, dear. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Everyone will write the same worksheet.
Answer. Okay. So did you observe any change? So Isma's laughing. Same answer. Okay, let me see. Okay. So anyone did anybody notice the difference in the tenses between these two sentences? Did you notice any differences here?
Ma'am, I think like this only and I change that.
Okay, okay,
Excuse.
okay, dear, no problem. Okay, now, so did you see that I was in the middle of the class? Okay, now I'm going to circle some words that you're going to explain me. I was in the middle of the class. I was, okay. I was in the middle of the class. I was writing the worksheet at 10 a.m. on Friday. I was writing the worksheet at 10 a.m. on Friday. I was in the middle of the class. Okay. So did you observe any difference? CD, can you answer me? Did you see any difference between these two words? What is this? What is this tense and what is this tense? Can you say me what is that tense and what is this tense? Any idea?
Ma'am, no,
No idea. Okay.
no
So
idea,
there
ma'am.
are some differences, right? Like was and was writing, right? There is some difference between these two words. Okay, let us see what difference it is. Okay, now, Bahira, do you see any difference between these two words, these two tenses?
No,
Can you predict which is past and past continuous?
ma'am, it's both the same.
Both are same. Okay, so let us see. What is this? What is this? And what is this? So this is coming under past tense.
And this is coming past
Yeah, very good.
present
This is
tense.
coming.
And this is past present tense, past tense.
Past continuous.
Past continuous.
I hope everyone is clear with this.
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Past continuous. I hope you are clear. Okay. This is the form of past tense and past continuous. So now everyone take down your pen and write the formula for past tense and past continuous. Past tense and past continuous. Past tense. So write the formula, grammar formula for past tense, verb V2. Okay. Past continuous tense, verb V2 plus, can you say me what is the next word?
Continuous tense.
Yes, very good. So you can write like this now, past tense. So it may come like was or were. Okay. Or you can write like verb 2. Okay, you can write like this. Here was or were plus verb 2 plus ing. I hope everyone is getting clear the idea. Yes?
Ma'am, it's not get idea, ma'am.
Oh, okay, okay. I will explain. I will explain. This is the formula for past tense and okay. So I hope everyone is clear with this. So was or were. So here you may say like I were in the middle of the class on Friday. Here you may say like was or were, right? Past continuous. So was or were. I were writing the worksheet at 10 a.m. on Friday. So I was writing. So was or were. Okay. So the same thing. Was is the past tense. It also denotes the past tense. Okay. So you may say like I studied in the middle of the class on Friday. Can we write like this? Yes. I listened to the class.
Yes.
So you can also have the sentence like I listened to the class. What is the class? Can anyone remember the class you have listened at morning Friday, last Friday?
Science. Science.
Science. Very good, Isma.
Science.
I listened to the science class on Friday.
Ma'am, today morning only science class, ma'am.
No, 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 no. I'm asking what happened last Friday. Last Friday. Okay, I listened to the science class on Friday. So what is the next question? You can say like, see here. What were you doing at 10 a.m.? What were you doing? So I were writing my worksheet at 10 a.m. on Friday. I hope everyone is clear with this.
Clear, ma'am.
Yes. So did you
Clear,
see
ma'am.
Clear,
your,
ma'am.
your past tense? Past tense means it always come with the was or were once. Maybe was or were will be there, or it will be like verb to. Is this verb to? Listen,
Yes.
listen.
Listen.
Listen is verb one and listen is verb two. I hope everyone is clear. If you are having any doubts, just raise your hand. Anybody?
Ma'am, no doubt.
Bahira? Bahira, any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No, no, no. You are having doubts. Say me what you are having.
Ma'am,
Yeah, yeah.
how to identify that past tense
Yeah,
or
yeah,
past
that's
present?
what you are thinking. That's what you are
Yes.
thinking. So if was or where is there, okay, and also if
Okay, ma'am.
past form of the verb is there, it is past tense. The use of tenses is past tense. Okay, Bahira. That's all.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't need to confuse so much. If was or where, or if the what is the past tense, past form of the verb. What is the past form of the verb for listen? Listen, right? Adding ing.
Yes.
So if those
Yes.
things are there, it is past tense. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am. That means the listen is past tense.
Yeah, listen is past tense. So here the use of past tense is there. Okay.
Yes, writing is past
Yeah.
conclusion.
So was our verb plus verb plus ing. This verb is right, right? Right
Yes, ma'am.
plus ing. So it is past continuous. I hope everyone is clear with this. Now you understood, Bahira? Okay, so
Yes, ma'am. Now I understand.
and take a short break and come back. So you have to say me, what were you doing now? CD, you can move away from the screen. Okay, I hope everyone is back. Yes?
Ma'am, Kim.
Yeah, okay. I hope everyone is back. So let us listen to the video of past tense and past continuous. So is everyone ready? Shall we have the
Yes, ma'am.
video now? Okay. Now I'm going to play the video of past tense and past continuous. There are many examples, nice pictures will be there. So listen to that. Okay. You can relate with the pictures and you can observe it. Okay. Now everyone have a pen in your hand, a pencil in your hand. Just note down what are the past tense you are coming across in this example and what are the past continuous tense you are coming across in those examples. Note it down in your note. Okay. So everyone note down what are the past tense and past continuous tense. Examples are just write was or were or was writing, were writing.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
I will play the example here. The
Okay.
video played. You just note it down. Dishon, come on, come on, come on, boy. Dishon. Sweetie, take the hand out of the camera. No playing, no playing. Your concentration is missing. You just observe it and you can copy down the examples. Is Bahira any doubts? You raised your hand.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I came.
Sit in your place. I will come. Okay. I hope everyone can see my screen. Huh? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So there may be
Yes,
many
ma'am.
tenses. Okay, there may be addition of many tenses. So just focus on what you are going to learn today. Just focus on past tense and past continuous tense. Okay, here it is. Okay, so now we are going to have a tenses introduction.
The Wedding Album. Pasha is flipping through an old album. The album contains his grandparents' wedding photographs.
Oh, you are so young, Grandpa.
Yes, I just finished college then. Your grandmother was still studying. I looked really handsome then. But now I have lost all my hair.
But your mustache has not changed a bit. When I am older, I will grow a mustache like you.
Yes, but I hope that you don't lose your hair like me. Looking at old photos is so much fun. Have you seen any? A lot of actions happened in the story. Some actions happened in the past, some in the present, and some are expected to happen in the future. We use different past, present, and future tenses depending on when the action takes place. Let us study each of these tenses in detail.
So I hope everyone understood this, right? Yes?
Ma'am. Yes,
Yeah.
understood.
What are the tenses we have come across in this video, Isma?
Past, present, and present, future.
I expect. Okay, okay. So answers are coming from both the sides. Okay. What are the tenses we come across in this video, Dishon? Dishon? Okay, sweetie. What are the tenses we come across in this video?
Past, present, future.
Very good. So I hope everyone understood. These are the basic tenses. Okay. So now I am going to play a video on simple past tense. Okay. So listen carefully. Everyone, get ready with your pencils. Note down just the words, formula words. Okay. No need to write the full sentences.
Let us learn about the simple past tense. Pasha and grandfather are talking about grandfather's wedding photograph here. Look at these sentences carefully. They tell us about things that were true in the past. We know this from the verbs were and looked. They are both in the simple past tense. The simple past tense is used to talk about actions that were completed in the past. Here are two more examples. The Stone Age lasted for more than 3 million years. I ate at the school canteen throughout my school life. Now read this sentence. Fahim always borrowed my formula book during exams. This sentence tells us about an action that happened very often.
Okay, Dishon, what is the past tense word used here in this sentence? Okay, what is the past tense word used in this sentence, sweetie? Yes,
Ma'am, exams.
Oh no. The
Ma'am?
word ed, the word ending with ed is the past tense, right? What is the word? Borrowed.
Road.
Is borrowed. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
In the past. It tells us that borrowing the formula book was a habit of Fahim's. Thus, the simple past can also be used to talk about past habits or about actions that were repeated often in the past. By the way, we also use used to or would to talk about past habits. Note that borrowed has become borrow in these sentences. So, how do we form the past tense? Let's take some new sentences. To make the past tense of some verbs, we add d or ed to the verb. These are regular verbs.
Yeah, I hope everyone is clear. Dishon, what is the letter we will add to the past tense? What is the letter we will add to the past tense? That is the main word.
Yes.
Dishon,
Yes.
Dishon.
Already.
No, ma, no. Yeah, for the things that happen already, we use past tense, right? See here, Dishon, what is the word we are using? What is the letter we are using with the main verb? We are adding D. So for some words, it may be ED, right, Dishon?
Yes.
Yes. I hope everyone is clear with this. Bahira, did you understood how to find the past tense? This is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
example, okay? It will be in the formation like this. Main verb plus D or main verb plus ED. Dishon, so what are the two past tense words are here? Can you read it for me? Promised?
Promised,
Very
written.
good. Very good. Very good. So everyone listen now.
We do not use any particular rule for changing some verbs into the past tense, like the verbs here.
See here? Okay.
These
Are we using any rules here for found? Are we using the verb plus ed, verb plus ed? Dishon,
No.
Dishon,
Ma'am,
are we using any ed with the main verb or just we are converting it to another word? So this is the past form. Yeah, this is the past form for that. Can we add ed here?
no, ma'am.
No, that is a wrong form, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to be very thorough with the past form of the verbs. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I will give you 20 verbs, 20 main verbs in the Google Classroom. Study that. Okay. I will give you today or tomorrow. Is everyone ready with that? Or can you
Yes,
repeat
ma'am.
yourself? Okay. So there are some main verbs. See, this is the forget. This is the present tense. We are converting that to past tense like FORGOT. Can we add ED here? Sweetie, can we add ED?
No.
No. Yes. Sweetie, are you there?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, if we add ED, what will happen? Forgotten. Is that the right meaning? Is that the right form of
No.
past tense? It is a
No,
wrong
ma'am.
form, right? Okay. So whatever is coming in the past form, not only ED, okay? Coming in the
Okay,
past
ma'am.
form is
Yes, ma'am.
any doubts? Anybody? You can raise your hand.
No
now.
doubt, ma'am.
No
No,
doubts.
ma'am.
So shall I pass?
These are irregular
Yes?
verbs.
Yes.
Okay.
These are irregular verbs. The verb to
So
be.
these verbs are
The
irregular verbs
verb
without
to
ED.
be changes completely in the simple past tense. It becomes
Ma'am.
was, it becomes
or
was,
were.
Ma'am,
or
the
were.
voice is echo.
Was is used
Was
with
is
singular
used with
subjects.
singular
subjects. Were is used,
Were
with plural subjects.
So this is what I said. Was and were are verb 2. Okay, this is what I said in the formula.
Now,
look
look at this sentence. Grandfather did not like to cut his mustache. Which tense is this? It is the simple past tense too. But the sentence is negative because it contains not. Thus, you can change simple past tense into the negative form by adding did not to the base form of the verb. We never use the simple past form of the verb with did not.
So this is the correct formation.
Here are some more examples with did not. Grandmother did not stop studying after marriage. Pasha did not put the album away after looking at it. Fahim did not need my formula book this year. The children did not stop practicing till they understood the math formula.
Yeah, I hope everyone clear. Okay. If you are using did not in the past tense, you should not add ed to the main verb. Are they adding ed? Are they adding ed? Anybody?
No.
No.
No,
Right?
no,
So
ma'am.
look, I hope you understood. Look, I hope you understood. Everyone, I hope you understood. Okay. Whenever you are adding did not to the sentence, it is also a past tense, but you should not add ed to the base form of the verb. Like stop, put, need, stop. Okay? It should not be stopped. It should not be needed. It should not be put. Put is the past form of put, right? So no problem over there. So stopped. It should not be stopped. I hope everyone clear. So if you're having any doubts, can you raise me your hands? Shall I move to the next? Can you show me
Yes,
thumbs
ma'am.
up?
No doubt.
Can you show me thumbs up on the video? Okay, Isma is double okay. Bahira is okay. Bahira is a double okay. Very good. She gained strength about past tense. So first, she has a series of doubts, ma'am. What you are saying to me? Okay, now she is very strong about past tense. Sweetie is double okay. Rishon also double okay. So you know how to use the past tense hereafter, right? So main verb plus ed are main verb plus did not, right? These are the two things you have come across. Okay. So now we are going to move to the next set of tense. What is the next set of tense we are going to learn? Who can say me? Who can say me first?
Past continuation. Simple continuous. Past continuous.
No. Past continuous tense. That's the right answer.
Past continuous.
Very good. Past continuous tense. So shall we see the video on it? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I
Yes,
hope
ma'am.
you put down the examples of past tense in your book. Huh? Yes? Okay, now past continuous. So
Let us learn about the past continuous tense.
One second. So shall I ask you some questions about past tense and then I will come for past continuous tense?
Yes.
Yes, that's good for you. Okay, so that you will not forget your past tense. Okay, now I am going to reduce the screen. I'm going to present you my lesson, so listen carefully. Okay. Okay, now, so everyone listen to these examples. I went for a walk yesterday morning. What did I do yesterday morning? Yes, Lok Pujya. Lok Pujya, can you answer me?
Good morning, ma'am.
Rihanna, you are late. You are half an hour late to the class.
In my phone is not a charger and no current in my home, ma'am.
In my home also no current, ma'am. Only little charger in my laptop.
Laptop. Okay, okay, okay. I hope that is
Ma'am, in
that
my
doesn't have
home
a problem.
also no current.
Okay,
Now
dear.
only
Okay.
current.
Now only came. Okay. So everyone keep be alert. Okay. So don't believe the power. It will be going somewhere.
No,
The
ma'am, I
situation is
having
very
39%.
okay. So morning itself. Okay. Before going to bed, you have to charge your laptop and you have to charge your mobile. Okay. So
I will charge
inform your
daily.
parents daily. Okay. So that it will be lasting till 5 o'clock, right? So that you can use it for all your classes. Am I right?
Ma'am, I
Yes?
one day fully I will on the charger only.
No, no, you don't do like that. So that your system will go worse. Rishon.
Ma'am, without charger, my laptop will not work.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Some systems may be like that. Okay. So you have to charge it at the appropriate time. Whenever the power is there, just charge it for 2 to 3 hours. That's enough. Okay. Don't go for too much time on it. That your system may get worse. Okay. I went for a walk yesterday morning. What did I do yesterday evening? Yes, Bahira.
Um, I went
Okay.
for
Let
a
us ask Lok Puja. Lok Puja, what is the past tense here in this sentence? Which word is the past tense?
Mm,
I went for a walk yesterday morning. Which is the word used for past tense? Can you speak the word?
ED.
No, 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 no. I'm asking the word. Here there is a no. Here there is no word with ending eating ending with ending
Wait, wait.
right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What is the another word? Irregular form?
What id?
No, no, no. I'm asking in this sentence. I went for a walk yesterday morning.
I
Who can
went
say me?
for a walk.
The person who say me can
Uh,
raise your.
every day.
No, wrong. Which is the word? Yes, Bahira, what is the word?
Went, ma'am. Went.
Very good, Lok Puja. Went is the right word. Okay? Very good. I hope now everyone understand. You can find the past tense now, right?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So everyone, please put a loud applause for Lok Puja. Very good. Very good, Lok. Okay, Speedy, you have joined 2 times. Just remove one call. You have joined in 2 calls so that it will be echoing only. Okay, that's good, sweetie. Okay, what did I do yesterday evening? Sweetie, can you say me what did you do yesterday evening? I dash. Yes, sweetie. Sweetie, are you there? Sweetie, I said you don't join 2 times. You are joining the call 2 times. Now, okay. Okay, now, Isma, can you say me what is the answer for this? What did I do yesterday evening? Yeah, how can you say in the past tense?
I went for a walk yesterday evening.
Yeah, you can say like I went for the walk, and also you can say like you can use the same past tense verb, right? Like I did my homework yesterday evening. Can we say like that?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So I had a snacks and watched a movie yesterday evening. So how many of you really had a snacks and watched a movie yesterday evening because you are on leave? Raise your hand slowly. How many of you really had snacks and watched a movie yesterday evening? Edwin Sweetie raised the hand. See, there is one person is here among us. Okay, so you enjoyed your leave, huh? Okay. So now
Ma'am, I practice the bike.
I practiced the bike. I practiced the bike yesterday evening. That's good. Very good. Okay. Okay. So at 9 a.m.
Ma'am,
yesterday.
ma'am, I know to ride the bike fully.
I-
Yamaha RX 100.
Oh my God. When did you learn that?
Ma'am,
In the
I learned.
lockdown only, ma'am.
Okay, that's good.
Ma'am, I learned finished.
You learned, you completed learning. Very good. Okay, Dishon.
Yes, ma'am. I and my father went to do taking water. I only ride the bike.
Okay, that's good.
Always.
Dishon, can you say me what did you do at 10 a.m. Sorry, 9 a.m. yesterday?
Morning.
Since yesterday morning or evening, you can say anytime you want.
I went to the ground and play football.
I went to the ground and played football. Okay.
Played football.
Yeah. Okay. So that's good. So Dishan have used the past tense. So everyone please put a loud applause for him. Very good, Dishan. Well done. Everyone give a high five to Dishan. Everyone give a high five to Dishan on screen. Dishan, give a high five to your friends. Very good. You have said your right answer using the past tense. Now we are going very good. So at 10 a.m. I was having breakfast and I was having lunch. Okay. So I asked only about the past tense. So he did. So use the past. So he used the past tense. Okay. Now shall we watch the video about past continuous tense? Is everyone ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No.
Yes. Everyone double okay. Okay, here is a video about past continuous tense. So everyone
Grandfather
listen to it.
tells Pasha about the time he and grandmother got married. He tells Pasha, I had just finished college. Your grandmother was still studying. Observe this sentence.
The voice
In
is
the
echo.
sentence, grandmother was doing some action, studying,
Not
which
echo.
continued for some time in the past.
Listen.
Then it was
Mute your
completed.
mics, everyone, first.
When we want to talk about actions that went on for some time in the past, we use the past continuous tense. Look at some more sentences. Pasha was looking at his grandparents' wedding album last evening. They were shelling peas when Pasha took out the album. Was looking and were shelling are in the past continuous tense too. Did you notice something in these sentences? The words looking and shelling end in ing. This is how the past continuous tense is formed. Add was or were before the verb and ing after the verb. Use was if the subject is singular. And were if the verb is plural.
So when you are using this was or were, who can explain me? When you are using this was or were, when the subject is singular, you are using this was, right? When the subject is plural, you are using.
Yeah, when it is plural, we use where.
Okay. So, sweetie, how you are coming to the conclusion that they is a plural, sweetie? They means many members are there, right? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Pasha
Yes.
means that a many person or one person.
One person.
Yeah, singular person means we have to use was, and the plural person means we have to use were. Okay, okay, sweetie. I hope you are clear with this. Past continuous. Okay. Are you having any doubts with this past continuous, sweetie? Or anybody?
No, ma'am.
Anybody?
No, ma'am.
I hope everyone is clear. So when I give the exam, you can do it about past and past continuous.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now
When you add ing
see here how
to
we
a
are
verb,
using this ing.
remember that the spellings of words change.
So this is what I said, verb plus ing. Okay, stop is a verb. So when we are adding ing, we are adding another p. Sit is a verb. When we are adding ing, we are adding another t. Very clear? Clear? So here is where we will do.
Ma'am.
Okay, here is where we will do mistakes. So please be careful with this. Practice.
Yes, ma'am.
Bahira,
Clear.
understood? Here is where we will. Yes. Okay. Okay, so everyone hear this word, we will do mistake. So please be careful with this.
So be alert. Here are a few more examples of sentences in the past continuous tense. The school was hosting a dance competition.
Ma'am, why should
Everyone
we
was
go?
running around on the day of the event. They were making arrangements. Some students were helping with the decorations. Others were welcoming the participants. So you see, forming sentences in the past continuous tense is very easy. Now use these verbs to form your own sentences in the past continuous tense.
Okay, now each one of you are going to say one sentence about this. Okay, sweetie, can you frame a sentence using this verb for past continuous tense? Yeah. Was our word plus ing.
P-R-A-C-T-I-S.
No, I am asking you to say the sentence. Okay. No. I ask you to say the sentence.
Practice.
So, for example, I say you a sentence. I was practicing for the
Practicing.
last 3 hours for music class. Okay? So, like this, you have to frame a
Okay.
sentence. Okay, sweetie, say a sentence about read.
I reading the book yesterday.
I was. Was or were you have to add. Okay? Say me the sentence now. I was.
I was reading the. I was read yesterday.
I was reading. ing. Who will add ing? Past continuous. Okay. Was and also you have to add ing. Okay. So you are saying I. I is a singular person. Sweetie alone reading, right? So you are using was. Okay, sweetie. Yes, Bahira. Can you say me a sentence using
Okay,
the
ma'am.
next one? Okay. Study.
I was studying yesterday.
Okay, can you use that study for the plural subject? So you use singular subject, right, Bahira? Like
Yes,
I.
ma'am.
Yes, dear. Use some plural subject like they, we.
They studied yesterday.
No. That is past tense. I am asking past continuous tense, Bahira. Careful. They, yeah, use it.
They studied.
They were.
Now-
Were. So whenever
They
you do
were
the plural
studying.
subject, you have to. They were studying for the
Now.
exams.
Exam now.
Now they were studying for the exams. Now no. Now it is. Now means it is present. Past continuous tense. So they were studying for the exams yesterday. You can say like that, right? Bahira,
Yes.
I hope it's clear. Yes? Okay. Look, can you say me a sentence using this look? You can use plural subject or singular subject as per your wish. Yes. Start look.
Okay, ma'am. Look.
You can use the Chakravarti investigates. You can use the clip.
He looked at the book.
He looked at the book. That is past tense, dear. I am asking past continuous tense. Was our verb plus ing. I am asking in that formula. Past continuous tense.
From the book. I didn't have book, ma'am.
No, dear. I was asking for past continuous tense. Who can say me the example? Raise me your hands.
I was looking at a bag.
I was looking at the back. Very good. So I is the singular subject. So Bahira used was. Very good, Bahira. So everyone, please play a plus for Bahira. Very good. Very good, Bahira. So yes. Riane, can you say the sentence in the plural subject like you can use where?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Okay. Can you say me now?
Ma'am, can you tell that another time?
Yeah. Can you say the sentence using plural subject?
Plural. In which word?
Look. L-O, okay. Look.
I looked the peacock near my home yesterday.
I looked. No, you are using only past tense, Riane. I asked you to say with past continuous tense. I asked you to use the formula was or were plus ing.
Okay, I was looking that beautiful peacock that comes near my home yesterday.
Very good. So please put a loud applause for Riyani. Everyone, unmute your mic and practice your round. Very good. Very good, Riyani. Okay, now Dishon, can you say me an example using this look?
Ma'am,
Yeah, can you say me an example using this look? Past continuous tense. Dishon?
past continuous tense.
Hmm.
Looked.
That is past tense, dear. I am asking past continuous tense. Formula was or were plus verb plus ing.
Looking.
Yeah, say the full sentence. Was plus ing. Mm. If you are using singular subject like I, only one person you are using, you have to use was, right? If you are using plural, like
They was looking there.
no, wrong. If you are using they means what is the word you have to use there? Everybody. They were, right? Yes, sweetie, say your example. Dishan, mute your mic. Listen. Yes, sweetie, say your example. You have raised your hand. Sweetie, are you there? Don't
Ma'am,
waste my
in my
time.
lap no charger, ma'am.
Okay, wait a minute. Okay, I hope everyone understood this topic, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now everyone, what you're going to do is take down your worksheets. Let us quickly complete the work.
Only 18% charger. It will vastly down.
Yeah, okay, I understood. Okay, so now everyone take your worksheet in your hands. Worksheet page number 16.
Mommy took.
Isma, where is Isma? Isma left. Okay.
Ma'am, can I left? I need to put the charger, ma'am. I will see in the recording class.
Okay.
Okay.
Don't use this always, okay? Okay. So you know, yeah, this is all you discussed. Okay. How are the sentences in the two columns the same? How are they different? Okay, we have come across many sentences, right? Okay, Bahira, can you say me what is the difference in between these two columns? This Bahira.
Wait, ma'am. In this side is having a simple past,
Yes, very good.
and I was watching a TV. I was watching a movie at 6 p.m. is uh, past conclusion.
Huh?
Past
Continuous, okay.
past continuous.
Okay, so this side is full of simple past and this side is full of past continuous, right? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now, so past tense always talked about something that happened in the past. We use had, watched, right? Played, and these are the past form of verbs, okay, for past tense. And we talked
It
about,
is a simple past.
yeah, the action that already happened, okay? The action that
Yes.
already happened. Okay, next. How can we use simple past and past continuous tense together in a sentence? Any idea? So here it is. We can use two past actions happen at the same time and one interrupt the other. So if anything happened in between the past tense, we can add it in the past continuous tense, right? Okay, so now everyone, we are going to have a game. Yane, Bahira, Dishon, Sweetie will get the attendance too. Yes. So everyone, are you ready to say the sentence form? Yes, sweetie had breakfast. What tense it is? Sweetie.
Had breakfast.
Mm.
Past.
Shall we check, sweetie?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Please put a loud applause for everyone, sweetie. Unmute, and loud applause. Very good, sweetie. Okay. Was playing. Dishon, what tense it is? Dishon. Dishon. Dishon was playing.
Present tense.
Hi.
Present tense. Ma'am,
Huh?
present tense.
Wrong. Did we see anything about present tense today?
Simple past.
ING is here. Did you see the
Yes,
formula?
ma'am. Past conclusion.
Past continuous.
Yes, past continuous.
Say the word for 3 times.
Continuous.
Continuous.
Hmm.
Continuous.
Continuous.
Yes. Past continuous.
Okay, Bahira said the right answer. Please put a loud applause for her, everyone. Dishon, clap hands for. Very good. Okay, had watched. What is this, Dishon? Had watched. Quick, I have to end up the class. Dishon? Had watched.
Past tense.
Very good, Dishon. Okay. Had played. Riane
Past
had
tense.
played.
Past
Riane.
tense.
Past.
Riane. This question is for Riane. Riane.
Ma'am, past tense.
Past tense.
Very good. Was spending? Was plus.
Past conclusion.
Hi. Say the
Past,
same.
Past continuation.
Very good. Was having.
Past continuation.
So I hope everyone understood the idea behind past tense and past continuous tense,
Yes,
right?
now I get it.
Okay.
Very well.
Okay. So underline the simple past verbs. Everyone say me the answer quickly. You can write it afterwards. Now you can say the answer quickly. Okay. Say me the simple past verbs. Circle the past continuous tense. Okay. First sentence. Yes, Bahira, say me the answer.
Was.
What is that? Past continuous or what to say?
Simple past.
So first we can circle the past continuous tense. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Continuous tense verb.
Riding.
Hi. Okay. Is there any past continuous tense here in the second sentence? Where on the football match, is it past continuous tense are there?
No.
No. Okay, very good. Next, last week I went to the library to borrow a book. Is there any past continuous tense there?
No.
No. Okay, we were playing tennis at 5 p.m. on
Last.
Thursday. Is there any past continuous?
No. Last.
Sweetie, what is the answer? Yeah, sweetie, what is the answer? Say the word, sweetie.
Ma'am, 5 p.m.
I'm asking past continuous tense. I'm not asking the time. Sweetie. What is the formula? They're playing. Very good. Okay, so now everyone, we are going to underline the past tense, simple past verbs. Yes, say me. Simple past. What is the simple past verb here?
That accident
Occurred. Very
Occurred.
good. Next. What is the simple past form? Won the football match yesterday. Sweetie.
Ma'am,
One.
yesterday.
One is the right answer. Yesterday denotes the time. It is not the past tense. Sweetie.
Okay, ma'am.
Next. Last week I went to the library to borrow a book.
Went.
Very good, Dishon. Excellent. Okay, next. The robber dashed all the jewels. So correct form of the verb. Who is going to say me the right answer? Let me see. The robber.
Stilled.
Stilled or stealed? Can you say me the right answer? Peeled, right? Okay, next.
Peeled.
Kriti dashed and hurt her food in the morning. Past tense.
Falling.
Past tense. I'm not asking past continuous tense.
Fault.
What is the past form of
Fault.
fall?
Fault.
No, who can say me the right answer? What is the past form of fall?
Filled.
Very
Filled.
good.
Fell.
Well.
Filled.
Next. He dashed a shower at noon.
Took.
Took. Very good. Sweetie. Okay, next. The sun dashed bright at 10 a.m.
Shining.
Past tense. I'm asking past tense. I'm not asking past continuous tense.
Shine.
Shine. Very good, sweetie.
Shined.
Hope everyone understands this, right? Yes. Okay. So
Ma'am.
it will be updated in Google Classroom. We can discuss the other two questions in the next class. So thank you, everyone, and I will meet you in the next class. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the homework?
Homework will be updated to you in your Google Classroom. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, thank you. But